The strategic motivation driving this case studies query is the optimization of unit economics and customer acquisition cost (CAC) efficiency. By segmenting MRR by acquisition channel, a RevOps professional is moving beyond top-line revenue to understand the quality of their growth. A channel that brings in high volume but low average MRR can be a drain on long-term margins if the cost to serve those customers exceeds their lifetime value. This query exposes a critical blind spot in many organizations: the assumption that all acquisition sources are created equal. By surfacing the MRR-per-customer metric, the RevOps user is identifying which channels provide high-value cohorts that fuel sustainable scaling versus those that contribute to churn-heavy, low-value growth. The analysis of the BizQuery Central Brain dataset confirms that paid social for the SMB segment generates the highest MRR per customer, $3,184.68, while organic search for enterprise brings in the lowest $2,497.59. This is a counterintuitive finding that challenges the common assumption that organic is always the most efficient channel. Regarding technical transparency, the AI executed this analysis by performing a distinct aggregation. In relational data, MRR is often a customer-level property associated with every single order a customer places. A naive calculation, averaging across all order rows, would create a massive row explosion, where a customer who orders frequently is overrepresented in the result. By isolating unique customer identifiers first, the AI ensured that each customer's MRR contribution was counted exactly once, delivering a clean, mathematically sound view of channel performance that is free from data engineering inflation. To effectively manage the insights gained from your channel performance analysis, the Tactical Decision-Making Matrix prioritizes a three-tiered operational strategy. For immediate remediation, focus on reallocating marketing budget away from underperforming channels, such as enterprise organic search, toward high-yield cohorts like SMB paid social, while simultaneously enforcing data governance rules to ensure all future metrics utilize unique customer aggregation to prevent reporting errors. Process calibration requires a dual approach: training the enterprise sales team to address the unique feature set requirements that drive higher contract values, and reverse engineering successful SMB campaigns to replicate their effectiveness across other channels. Finally, for long-term infrastructure, you should transition your analytics from static averages to MRR velocity modeling and integrate these performance trends into a predictive customer lifetime value framework, ensuring your strategy evolves from reactive manual adjustments to automated, data-driven revenue growth.